Jai Hind children, so today we are going to write hard words of chapter number 16, weather and seasons. First of all, you will write hard words, then you have already done exercises A, B and C of this chapter. So after hard words, you will write short question answers and then long ones. So let's start with hard words. To write hard words, you have to write chapter number 16, number of the chapter on the top of the page, and then the name of the chapter. So what is the name? Name weather and seasons. And then you will write hard words in bold letters. So the first word is wandered, second happens, third atmosphere, fourth particular, fifth weather, sixth temperature, seventh movement, eighth vapor, ninth water cycle, 10th seasons, 11th spring, 12th monsoon, 13th autumn, 14th hibernation, 15th blossom, 16th loo, 17th floods, 18th earthworm, 19th climate, and 20th several. Now children, we have done exercises in your classrooms. So in this video I'm going to revise it once again. So the exercise number 1 is tick the correct options. In which season do new leaves grow on the trees and flowers bloom? So in spring season, new leaves grow on the trees and flowers bloom. In which season is Durga Puja celebrated? So the answer is here autumn season. In autumn season, Durga Puja is celebrated. The season in which people like to drink cold drinks and eat ice creams is summer. The winds that bring rains are called monsoon winds. Moving air is called wind. Sorry. Fill in the blanks. So, fill in the blank is the coolest time of the year. So, which time is the coolest time of the year? Winter. Winter is the coolest time of the year. In the hills and mountains, the weather is cool and pleasant. The weather is cool and pleasant. The third one is earthworm is also known as farmer's friend. Earthworm is also known as the farmer's friend. Now, during spring season, we see lots of butterflies and bees and butterflies over the flowers. People like to visit hill stations during summers. Winter match the following. Winter, the days are very cold. Spring, this season the trees have new leaves. This is for spring season. And summer, this season is very hot. Monsoon, this season brings rain. And autumn, the tree lose their leaves. So children, you can write this like you can answer this, match the following like this also. Like for winter, you can write number 1 here. For spring, you can write number 2 here in front of the answers. So like this, you will write your answers in the book. Now we are coming on to the short question answers. So the first question is, what do you mean by weather? So let's write the answer. So children, first of all you will write, give short answer to the following questions in your copy. And then you will write question number 1. What do you mean by weather? So children, the answer is the condition of the atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time is called weather. Like this, we have question number 2. Name the 4 main things on which weather depends upon. The answer is weather depends on 4 main things, which are sun, wind, clouds and rain. So children, you can write both the answers like this. And we have question number 3 now. So the question number 3 is, what is hibernation? Give examples. So the answer is, when animals go on their long winter sleep, then this is called hibernation. Bats, bears, turtles, snakes are the some examples of animals that hibernate. So children, write this question number 3. After writing this, you will start long question answers. So for this, again you will write E, answer the following questions, and then question number 1. Children, in this question, you have to draw a diagram also. So first, you will write answer and then you will draw a diagram. So the answer is, water cycle is a cycle in which sorry children, I am going to repeat the question. First, what do you mean by water cycle? Explain with the help of a diagram. So water cycle is a cycle in which water evaporates from the surface of the earth. It rises into atmosphere, cools and condenses into snow in clouds and then falls down again on the surface of the earth as rain. So children, first of all you will write these sentences and then you will make the same diagram in your copy. You can take help of your book also for the diagram. So now we will come on to the question number 2. Question number 2 is, how do seasons affect our lives? The answer is, seasons deeply affect our lives. The food we eat, the clothes we wear and the activities we do change from season to season. For example, we can see that people living in hilly areas wear woolen clothes while those living in hot areas wear cotton clothes. So like this season affects our lives. Question number 3 is, why is rainy season important for the farmers? So the answer is here, rainy season is very much important for the farmers because rain helps farmers to grow crops. If there is no rain, crops will not grow. Farmers' livelihood depends upon the production of crops. So, for the sustenance of the farmers and the fulfillment of our need of food, rainy season is important. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Like this we have completed this chapter. So, thank you very much. Jai Hind.